In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two videos in Canva. We'll walk through a simple workflow so you can place two clips back to back. Make them flow smoothly and export a single, shareable file. Start by opening Canva. From the home screen, click Create a Design and choose Video. This opens a blank video project and sets the right canvas and timeline for editing, so you don't have to worry about dimensions or format later. Next, bring in your footage. On the left sidebar, go to the Uploads tab and click Upload Files. Select the video files you want to combine. MP4, MOV, and similar formats work well. You'll see thumbnails appear as Canva processes them. If you have multiple versions, give them clear names so you can tell them apart at a glance. Add your first clip to the project by dragging it from the Uploads panel onto the main canvas. That automatically creates your first page in the timeline at the bottom. To place the second clip right after it, click the plus button in the timeline to add a new page. Then drag your second video onto that new page. Keeping each clip on its own page makes rearranging and trimming much easier. Now let's tidy things up. Click a clip in the timeline to select it, then drag its left or right edge to trim the start or end. This is perfect for cutting dead space or jumpy moments. If you need a closer view, adjust the timeline zoom so you can trim more precisely. To change the order of your clips, grab a page thumbnail and drag it left or right until it's in the sequence you prefer. For a smoother flow between clips, add a transition. Click the small plus icon that appears between your two pages. From the options, try Match and Move for dynamic continuity, or a gentle dissolve for a clean fade. You can usually adjust the duration so the transition feels natural. Press play to preview how the cut feels, and tweak the timing if anything seems too abrupt. When you are happy with the result, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right. Choose Download and select MP4 as your format. Leave the default settings if you are unsure, then hit Download. Canva will render your combined video into a single file you can share, upload, or archive. That's it. Thanks for watching.